Hello, friends. Welcome to today's live stream. I'm your host for the day, Dr. Suresh Agarwal. I can see a lot of people waiting there for the live stream, and let's have a very good live stream today, wherein we will have constructive sort of discussions taking place, and most of us are not new to this channel, right? Silver play button. Yeah, yeah, you can see this. This was way back in, I say, about 1.5 years back. I received this silver button. Nearly 2 years. Yeah. So all due to your love and support. Good people like you come on the channel and learn something, and they participate in all these live streams and get benefited in turn. Yes, obviously, but spending time on somebody is really uh, difficult. You don't spend time on something which is not useful for you, so that's why. Hello, sir. You forget about daily people and you interact with new people. Why is this so? I didn't get your question actually. Psych guy. So my birthday is exactly after a week. Oh God, good. Vishnu, welcome. Mohammed, Abu Tala, Harsh, Megha, Mohammed Taha, and then a lot of people have already joined in. Nidish, hello to you. Okay, so let's get on with the session. I think we have 35 people who have joined in, and 11 people have clicked the like button also. Let's get going. What's the topic for today? The topic for today is handle fractions the easiest way. Now, handle fractions means this will be a combination of fractions and mixed fractions both. Okay, so you will be dealing with both. So I'll give you questions of both things. Let's have the first question, the warm up question. So you need to tell me the answer for this. 7 2 upon 3 plus 8 5 upon 6 minus 10 7 upon 9. You need to give me the answer in mixed fractions, friends, because the question is in mixed fractions. So the answer has to be in mixed fractions itself. So you need to be careful not to give your answers in simple fraction or not to give the answer in decimals. So since the question is in mixed fraction, the answer has to be in the same kind of mixed fractions. So first answer has come from Sanskar 513 by 18, and Jagdeep is also saying 513 by 18. Oh goodness me, the same answer from both of them. That's so interesting. 13 by 8 by Mohammed Taha. Interesting. Sudha Modi is saying 513 by 18. Same answer. Mohammed Abu Tala also. Nidish also. Now Mohammed Taha corrected that, I think. Kirti, you also missed out there, I think. Yeah, check your answer. Vishakha, Shushmita, P. Srinivas, Abhishek, Utkarsh, Aman, Ariz. So everybody coming up with the same kind of answer, right? Good. So I think warm up question is really warming up now. The session is warming up, and so am I. When I see all those prominent people coming and joining in, I get warmed up. Let's have the first one. So somebody is saying I got wrong. Okay, it's okay. It's okay to commit errors. Okay, so always tell to yourself it's okay to commit errors. Let's see the answer for this one. How do you tackle this question? Now see, 7 plus 8 is 15 minus 10 is 5. So I'll write 5 here. And the remaining part, 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 minus 7 upon 9. Now this is something important. So I don't want to consider 3 because 3 divides 6. 6 and 9, the LCM is 18. So it will be 18 in the denominator. Now 3 6 times is 18. 6 3 times is 18. And 9 2 times is 18. Correct? So this is 12 plus 15, 27 minus 14, that is 13. Simple. 513 by 18 is the answer. Now when I say simple, it means that it is really simple. but if you could not get the answer of this question, that means you have followed a method which you should not follow. Okay, so be careful. Let's see who got the answer correct first up. I think it was Sanskar. संस्कार, वेल डन भाई, आज तो फॉर्म में हो, लगते बहुत ज्यादा फॉर्म में आ गए हो आप। बहुत अच्छा। अभी आने वाले हैं सब लोग, देखते जाओ, कंदिम वगैरह सभी आने वाले हैं अभी। मोहम्मद ताहा कल तो हैट्रिक मार दी थी इन्होंने। सो 513/18 इज इंडीड द करेक्ट आंसर। वेल डन संस्कार। एंड देन जगदीप, awesome work there. And then who is the third one to give the answer? Sudha Modi, well done Sudha Modi. And the fourth one to give me the answer is Mohammad Abu Tala. And then Nidish got the answer, fifth person. The sixth one is Mohammad Taha because he corrected the answer, so he became a little late there. Seventh person to give me the answer is Abhishek Kumar. Then eighth person is P Srinivas. You want me to take two more names? Ninth is Vishakha Chaudhary and 10 is Utkarsh Raj. अरे उत्कर्ष भाई, इतना टाइम अपनी डेवलपमेंट पे लगा रहे हो, रॉक करने वाले हो लाइफ में, आप देखते जाओ, ठीक है। एंड आई विल बी देयर। आना एक बार, बोलना सर, थोड़ा सा बेनिफिट तो आपका भी हुआ है सर। Okay, great. So everybody has warmed up now and 45 people have joined in. Let's have more people, friends. Why can't we post the live link with your WhatsApp groups? Let's have some more people joining in. Let's have the prize question. बहुत दिन हो गए यार, प्राइज क्वेश्चन नहीं आया है। हाँ? बहुत दिन हो गए। You know the rule, no? The rule is that we should have 100 people watching. Only then I ask the prize question. अभी तो 45 हैं, देखते हैं। अभी सेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, राइट? चलो, let's see the second question. Now, this is a question of BODMAS. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से करेंगे, okay? All threes 1/3 minus 2/3, 1/3 minus 2/3 minus 5/3 plus 4/3. Be careful, friends. The question is not easy. I want the answer in a fraction form, not a mixed fraction, a fraction. Let's see whether you get that answer correct or not. हाँ, सुमन सिंह बिल्कुल ठीक, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। ग्रेट ग्रेट। संस्कार को बहुत सारे लाइक्स मिल गए वहां पर, इतने लाइक तो मुझे भी नहीं दिए सबने। 5/3, 7/9, आदित्य शर्मा आइए, वेलकम। 5/3 जगदीप, 7/9 सुमन सिंह, 5/3 कीर्ति, 7/9, 5/3, 7/9, 5/3, 7/9. What's happening? 7/9 is now gaining majority, and if that is correct, then जगदीप, अरे भाई कर दिया आपकी बार तो काम आपने। Question wasn't easy. I tell you, many people can commit an error here. अभी देखो सुमन सिंह 8/9 भी आ गया है। 5/9, 7/9, 8/9, 5/3, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा। शशि राजा का भी 8/9 आ गया है। 7/9 चल रहा है अभी मैक्सिमम। ओके। अरे the question is not difficult. Come on friends, this is, don't let me down, come on, this is something basic, right? इसके बाद आ रहा है x and y वाला क्वेश्चन। You know that question, no? X is something, y is something. You have to simplify both and find the expression, the value of an expression. शशि मेरा गलत है। सुमन क्या हो गया? मेगा इज सेइंग -1 ओके। Marisa D'Souza -1. Oh God! The more I wait for the answer, the more different answers I start getting. अच्छा चलो जल्दी से इसको कर देते हैं। I don't want more different answers here. Okay, चलो। The first person, let's see who gave the correct answer after I have solved it on the board. Just verify your answer from the board. Now, from where should I start solving this particular question? See, I can do this first and last. That is okay. So, get rid of this plus 4/3. 1/3 plus 4/3 is 5/3 minus. Now, let's solve this. The remaining part. 2 minus 5 is -3. Minus 3/3 is -1. So, this is -1. So, this becomes +1. 1/3 plus 1 is 4/3. So this part is 4/3. 4/3 into 2/3 is 8/9. Correct. 4/3 into 2/3 is 8/9. So पूरा सॉल्व हो गया। 8/9 यहाँ पर है, इंटू थ्री कर लो, 15 माइनस 8 7 आ जाएगा, एंड 7/9 हमारा आंसर है. Which calculation I have done here by writing it on one side? No calculation is being written anywhere. That is the important thing to note, friends. And that's how you need to be smart in calculation. Just like Jagdeep Taggar. Well done, Jagdeep. Awesome work. I'm so proud, one of my students coming up with the correct answer. The first up. It's not like कि मेरे बाकी students मेरे नहीं हैं. They are all mine. But somehow, Jagdeep, well done. And then उसके बाद कीर्ति, well done कीर्ति, double thumbs up for you. And then कंदेम, आ जाओ कंदेम, अभी थर्ड हो. I want little more competition, okay. मोहम्मद ताहा, फोर्थ पर्सन मोहम्मद अबू ताला. यार ये मोहम्मद सारे बहुत ब्रिलियंट होते लगता है. And then Abhishek Kumar, very well done. And Sushmita Naskar, one of the prominent names now, slowly building up the session. Very good. Kriday Sood, very well done. Sanskar, wow. So these are the top people who gave me the correct answer for this particular question. Let's have the next question now. So the first question was answered correctly on the top by Sanskar. Second question by Jagdeep. Let's see, is there a third person, different person who will come on the top here? Question coming up your way. This was the second question. Now come and solve this question number 3. The value of x is half plus half into half divided by half. Y is 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Find x upon 2 plus y upon 3. Please answer in a fraction. Note the question carefully, please. Note the question carefully. And let's see who comes up with the correct answer. Now, this is going to be really interesting. Oh my God, first 4 answers, all 4 are different. 13 by 18, 5 by 18, 5 by 2, 5 by 6. Goodness me, what's happening there? Fifth answer is also different, 13 by 8. Sixth is also different, 14 by 8. भाई सब लोग चेक कर लो, सब लोग चेक कर लो. 5/8 भी आ गया है. 13/18 अभी थोड़ा प्रोमिनेंट चल रहा है. 5/6 आ गया है वहां पर. Everybody please check your answer, because I think there's something wrong there. Something wrong. Please check your answers, and I'll give you 1 minute. Delete your answer if you want to. Repost your answer if you want to right now. कर सकते हैं आप लोग. Everybody can repost the answer. 55 people attempting. I think I have 55 different answers. Come on, friends, that's not done. Goodness me. Oh, goodness me. Look at that. How many deletions are going on there? And that's what I want. Delete your answer if you think that you have done it wrongly by mistake. You have time, 30 seconds to go. Yeah, yes, you can delete it. Don't ask me. You go for the deletion. 10 seconds to go. After that, I'm going to solve it. Okay, I think now I see that a lot of deletions have taken place already, and many of you preferring to change your answer now. But what is the prominent answer which I'm getting? That is really interesting to see here. Okay, so the prominent answer which I'm getting now is 13/18, maybe. Let's see the correct answer here. Now this is going to be really interesting. चलो एक बार ऊपर scroll कर लेता हूँ, because sometimes I can't go back to the original because lot of answers have already come in. हाँ, बहुत सारे लोगों ने deletion नहीं किया. I think you don't want to check it second time, हाँ? कोई बात नहीं. So 60 people watching. Let's take it to 100 friends. Let's have the prize question today. और लाइक नहीं किया तो कर दो यार, तब तक मैं बोर्ड पे सॉल्व कर देता हूँ इसको. ओके, लुक एट दिस. So bod mass, right? This is 1. So half into 1 is half. Half plus half is 1. So x is 1. Just look at this. X is 1. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 is 1. 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Now put the values. X is 1, so 1 by 2. Y is 2 by 3, so 2 by 9. And 4 plus 9, 13 by 9 to the 18. Now, where was the problem in this question? Tell me, friends, where was the problem in this question? And believe it or not, second question किसने ठीक बताया था सबसे टॉप पे? जगदीप ने. And here is Jagdeep again. Well done, Jagdeep. Are Kandim, Mohammed Taha, Aditya, P. Srinivas, where are all of you? Sainath, Aman, Kirti. The same person coming on the top for the second time in 3 questions. Amazing work. Everybody should give a thumbs up to Jagdeep now. Okay. We should appreciate good talent, right? Okay. So who is the second person? Lot of deletions there. आदित्य गलत हो गया आपका, कीर्ति आपका भी गलत हो गया, अचल सिंह का भी गलत हो गया, निर्मित पाटिल आपका भी गलत हो गया. Okay, the second person to give me the correct answer is Sainath. Well done, Sainath. My goodness, can you believe that, friends? Look at that. And the third person to give me the correct answer is Prasad. I don't know what's your actual name, but Prasad, the third person. The fourth person is Melissa D'Souza. Well done, Melissa. And then we have the fifth person, Shivangi. Very, very well done. And then Vishakha Chaudhary, yes, sixth person to give me the correct answer, followed by Aditya Sharma Agam. These were the top 7 names, and I'm in all appreciation for this. But believe it or not, friends, I thought that this question is comparatively more easier than the previous questions, but lot of wrong answers in this question. That is what is fractions all about. Okay, yeah, so a lot of thanks coming in there from Jagdeep. That's very important. You need to thank if everybody appreciates you. Yeah, Melissa, yes, amazing work from you. uh, oh, yeah, this is little bit shocking for me because so many wrong answers in a minor question of fractions. Thoda sa, I think I need to give you one or two more questions of x and y type. Let's have one more. So the next question, x and y type question coming up for you. So let's rub this one. I don't want this question on the board because this fetched so many wrong responses. Let's have the next question. The value of x is 25% of 1/3 of 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 3, and y is 75% of half of 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. And you need to find 4x minus 3y. Okay, so a very, very interesting question on the board, and I'm expecting a lot of correct answers now. Please be careful, friends. Always remember, accuracy comes first, and then you can work on the speed. Okay, so again started, right? -4, -2.5, okay, -2, -1.5, 4 also, 5 different answers already. Sir, which chapter? Somebody is spamming there. KBD. This is not which chapter. This is simplification. Simplifications questions for competitions. minus 2.5, 4.5, minus 4, minus 2.5, 4. आई एम ईटिंग बोल हाँ संस्कार आंसर भी दे दो भाई साथ साथ. हाँ जगदीप, सो यू हैव डिक्लेयर्ड हैट्रिक. ओके लेट्स सी बट एक बार रीचेक कर लो पक्का. टुडे आई हैव नो लक. देयर इज नो लक. मोहम्मद ताहा डोंट बिलीव इन लक. ओके हार्ड वर्क करते रहो. सो यू विल डू इट द सेम वे you did the other day. -5/8 रीना यादव. ओके सर मेरा सही नाम प्रसाद ही, प्रसाद सावंत. ओके ओके प्रसाद, आई विल ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर दैट. ओके तो आपकी आईडी प्रसाद है ना, तो ठीक है प्रसाद. ही वॉज बीइंग सो ओवर स्मार्ट. हु? अरे कौन भाई? अच्छा चलो. लेट्स सी द answer for this particular question and I hope somebody gets this one correct. Okay चलो x देखते हैं सबसे पहले. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, so this becomes 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 3 cancel 1 by 2 and 25% of 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. Am I correct friends? The value of x, is it correct? 1 by 8. Just give me a yes or no. Give me a yes or no. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, thank you. Now, why did I ask you? Did I write anything anywhere to solve this? Did I write anything anywhere to solve this? No. That's what is called smart work. You know, if you start writing everything for solving fractions, then competitive exams like bank PO, RBI, very difficult for for you to clear those exams if you start relying on pen and paper for solving this question. You need to do it orally friends. Okay so let's see this one. 1 minus half is half. Half goes up becomes 4. Half of 4 is 2. 75% of 2. 75% of 2. Yeah, one and a half. So 3 by 2. Okay, is it okay? Yes or no? Manohar Lal, thank you for that message promoting the likes on the channel. Thank you. हाँ 3/2 ठीक है कि नहीं? Is it okay? The second part 3/2. Yes. See, nothing has been written till now. मैं इतना ज्यादा टाइम इसके ऊपर क्यों लगा रहा हूं? You know why I am spending so much time on this? I want to tell you that this can be done orally. Orally. आप सोचो जो लोग ओरल कर देते हैं, those people who can do it orally and those people who start using pen and paper for solving, taking LCM and whatnot, what is the difference between the two? That is the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people when it comes to competitive exams. Okay, the quantitative aptitude exams. So let's see the final part. 4 times 1 by 8 is half. Correct. Minus 3 times 3 by 2 is 9 by 2. So the answer is 1 minus 9 minus 8 by 2 minus 4. Friends, many students can do this orally and you can be one of them. Okay, you can be one of them. Yeah, one request, Prajwal, thoda sa yaar, see the topic there on the board. I can't be taking random queries. This is a session in which you have to participate in whatever topic we have in hand. अरे अंश सिंह आप भी आ गए यहाँ पर, आ जाओ आ जाओ. बट ये वो जो इतने बड़े बड़े मैसेजेस आप डाल रहे हैं वो चलेगा नहीं वहां पर, वो हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं चलता है. ओके यहाँ मोहम्मद अबू ताला गलत हो गया. इट्स ओके इट्स ओके. लेट्स हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन. नाउ सी such a neat work done on the board. No fuss, No rough work, no pen and paper. Answer like this. Let's have one more question. Try to solve it. Very easy. See, x is 20% of, I'll give you another question of this kind. 1/4 of 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 4, and y is 40% of half of 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2, and you need to find 2x minus 3y. Be careful with the quantities. If you copy the question wrong, then everything goes wrong. Okay? So try to copy the question correctly. Oh wow. आदित्य इतनी जल्दी आंसर कैसे निकाल दिया यार? इतना जल्दी तो मैं भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ. बट मुझसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट बनना है आपने, ठीक है? एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी इफ यू बिकम smarter than me. Oh, again the same thing is happening. Minus 54 by 15, minus 25 by 3, minus 34 by 15, minus 10 by 3, minus 13 by 10, minus 25 by 3. Oh, oh, what's happening there? उधर देखो जरा, चैट को पढ़ो और एंजॉय करो. Just enjoy the chat. This is something amazing, amazing which I am witnessing on the channel right now. अरे उतने सारे डिफरेंट आंसर्स कहां से आ रहे हैं ये? डोंट डू दैट फ्रेंड्स, डोंट डू दैट. आई विल गिव यू इनफ टाइम टू डिलीट योर आंसर्स. सर यू डिडंट अप्रिशिएट. ओहो जगदीप, चलो कोई बात नहीं. आई फॉरगॉट एक्चुअली. तुमने खुद ही डिक्लेयर कर दिया ना, इसलिए मैं भूल गया. अच्छा चलो, let's see the answer for this one and let's see who gave that one correct. Okay, minus 10 by 3 बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं. So मुझे कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है कि minus 10 by 3 हो सकता है कि that answer is correct, but I'll have to check it on the board. Fine. So let's check this answer quickly. Should be correct because a lot of people they cannot make the same error, right? And if that is correct, then somebody is going to be really happy. Okay, so 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. This becomes 4 by 3, that is 8 by 3. 1/4 of 8 by 3 is 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 means 20% means 1 by 5. So this is actually 2 by 15. So 2 into 2 by 15 is 4 by 15, correct? So the first part is done, minus. Now see the second part. 1 minus half is half, half goes up and becomes 6. Half of 6 is 3, and 40% of 3. 40% is 2 by 5 of 3. Correct? That is the way. So 40%, 2 by 5 of 3 is 6 by 5, and 3 times 6 by 5 is 18 by 5. And there we go, into 3, into 3. मेरा करेक्ट है कि नहीं देख लो, बता दो. Yeah, a lot of things going on there. I don't know. Prajwal, what are you up to? Prajwal, I don't take random queries, sorry. I don't take random queries. Okay. So what's the answer for this? This will be 54, correct? So minus 50 by 15. And there we go, minus 10 by 3. यही तो answer है. This is the answer which I was getting, and lot of students gave that answer correct. Let's see who is the first one. जगदीप, आपका तो हैट्रिक हो गया था पिछली बार, मैंने देख लिया. ओके, सो आज भी एक हैट्रिक कर दिया है जगदीप ने. minus 10 by 3 is the answer I'm looking for, and the first answer minus 10. अरे फर्स्ट इनिशियली तो आदित्य, जगदीप तुम्हारा भी गलत हो गया, minus 25 by 3. ओह, आदित्य ने भी डिलीट कर दिया उधर. साईनाथ, आपका भी गलत हो गया. मोहम्मद अबू ताला, अरे मोहम्मद अबू ताला, you were so upset in the previous question, no? See, double thumbs up for you. This is for Mohammad Abu Tala. Well done indeed. सभी लोग बोलो यार मोहम्मद अबू ताला को. देखो लड़के ने करके दिखा दिया फटाक से. ओके वेरी गुड एंड उसके बाद बहुत सारे रॉन्ग आंसर्स many students prefer to delete the answers there and finally the correct answer came from Kandim Parekh, the second person to give me the correct answer. Who is the third person? Now this is going to be interesting. Look at the number of answers deleted there, everybody preferring to delete the answer. So the third answer, same answer came from P. Srinivas. P. Srinivas, तुमको तो तुमने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि तुम्हारा आंसर थर्ड आ जाएगा because I think that was the 25th answer and everybody was wrong in front of you. So the third person to give me the correct answer. Fourth is Sashi Raja. Well done, Sashi Raja. Indeed, very good because you did not get influenced by all those wrong answers which were coming in front of you, right? गुड एंड देन गगन राज, अरे कहाँ थे भाई गगन राज, इतने दिनों से आप कहीं टॉप पे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हो मुझे. ओके वेल डन, ये वाला क्वेश्चन आपने बिल्कुल ठीक किया. और उसके बाद अमन कुमार का आंसर ठीक आया. आरिज अहमद वेल डन, सोमेश साहू वेल डन, शिवांगी वेल डन, अचल सिंह वेल डन. ओके दीज वर द टॉप कितने नेम्स, 10 नेम्स में भी जिनका आंसर बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक हुआ. ओके गुड वर्क फ्रेंड्स. बट किसका आंसर ठीक हुआ सबसे पहले कौन था? आई फॉरगॉट द नेम एक्चुअली. मोहम्मद अबू ताला. यस मोहम्मद अबू ताला. मुझे मालूम है बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं मोहम्मद अबू ताला को उधर प्रेज कर चुके होंगे. या लुक एट दोस कमेंट्स, या लुक एट दोस कमेंट्स. अरे प्रज्वल यार अब तो समझ लो यार, प्रज्वल दोस कमेंट्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो थ्रू यार, लीव इट. सर वेरी लॉन्ग फ्रैक्शन क्वेश्चन, नो ब्रैकेट नो एक्स एंड वाई. सर मजा आता है उसमें, मजा तो आता है लेकिन कितने गलत आंसर आते हैं ये भी देख लो. ओके लेट्स हैव द नेक्स्ट वन. The first I think one hat trick is already there by Jagdeep and uh, this is I think seventh question for today and somebody needs to give the answer very quickly for this. Let's have the question going now. So a lot of my friends are, like these live sessions are very important, sir, for building up the speed. But the participation level, how many students are participating in such kind of live sessions is really important. You just note there how many people are participating. We have nearly 210K subscribers on the channel. They all get the notification. But how many motivated people are there? You are one among those. Say about 10,000 people who are self-motivated and who come here to learn. And this is what is competition. You can see the amount of competition you are getting. Even if we are around 70 people participating, the competition level is quite tough and it's very difficult to come in top 3. What if lakhs of people are participating in the same competitive exam? Then it is like very difficult to get through, right? So let's have one more question. So the value of x now and the value of y, this will not be a big one, but obviously you need to be sharp and accurate for solving these type of questions. Fine, let's have this one. The value of x is 1/3 of, I've given these type of questions before also, 1/3 of 74% of, let's take 354. Okay, and the second one is 1/4 of 63% of 324, right? So these are the two things and you need to tell me what is the value of x plus y. Very simple, find x plus y. This is a question. So don't get the percentages wrong, because if you get one of the percentages wrong, then everything will be wrong here. So be very careful in answering the question. Try to find the two percentages correctly. The first thing is 74%. So 1/3, that's the glitch there in the question. How do you tackle that 1/3? Okay, so which are the answers I'm getting? 138.35, that's the prominent answer. कहाँ से आया वो? Srinidhi. Okay, Srinidhi, I think you were not there earlier, but now Kandim, Gagan, now the famous names are coming on the top. And 159.68, I think that's another answer which I've got for this particular question. But the prominent answer which is here, which is dominating here, is 138.25. Great. So I think प्रवीण, इधर यहाँ पे कैलकुलेटर यूज कोई नहीं करता है. यहाँ पे एवरीबडी इज लाइक ओल्ड ऑन द चैनल, एंड दे आर veterans. They are doing this by using the short tricks they have learnt on the channel. So please don't blame them. Join every day and you will know. Anji, I think you need to see the settings of your YouTube setting. Just see the settings and take it to 480p. Video is having HD quality. Yeah, Praveen, you don't know. That is why you should not have said that. Okay. If you don't know something, you can't conclude something, right? First class, yes. So if it is your first class, how can you conclude that everybody is using a calculator? They have been here for 2 years practicing the short tricks. Yeah, Aman, bilkul theek कहा. Anji, check that. Okay. So shall we proceed, friends? Let's see the answer for this particular question now. Great. So what's the easiest possible method of solving this particular question? The thing is here, this one third, this 3 is dividing this 354 exactly. So you should get rid of this 3 first and get rid of this 4 first, because one of the numbers, these two, is divisible by 4. So I should get rid of the fractional parts first and then find the percentages by using the vertically and crosswise trick. Praveen Kumar, सुनते जाओ. Praveen Kumar, आप देखो, I'll tell you how the students have. It's not a matter of apologizing or something. Just see how I solve it on the board and just see how they are doing it. So even you will get rid of your calculator. Okay. So calculator छोड़ दिया और सुरेश अग्रवाल सर के चैनल पर आ गए. तो कैलकुलेटर का कोई यूज नहीं है. ओके, राइट. लुक एट दिस. So 3 cancels out with 118, correct? And 4 cancels out 81 times, right? So that's very, very interesting. Now 118 multiplied by 74 has to be done using vertically and crosswise, and then 81 into 63, that has to be done using vertically and crosswise. Very easy. This is 3, 24, 30, 03, and 48, 51. 5103, 8 4s are 32, 2 3, 8 7s are 56, 59, 63, 3 6, 4 6 10, and 7 17, 7 1 carry, and then 7 plus 1 8, 8 7 3 2. So here we have the two different numbers which you should have obtained there, and the percentage part means they have two decimal places. So two decimal places means 87.32 and 51.03. So that's the thing which is going to give you the answer, and I think 138.35 was the answer which I obtained for this particular question. So everybody can verify this answer from here. Okay, so I hope everybody has seen the correct method here. Praveen, did you learn something new? So it's my duty, those who think that this is just a formality going on the channel, they will come. Praveen, now nice way to solve. Yes, so now you can come every day and participate and bring in your friends also, man. This will be really amazing. Okay, I would love to see you in the top 5 people there. Okay, great. So let's announce the name of the people here. I'm seventh in my chat. Okay, we know this already declared. Okay, so 138.35, that's the answer I'm looking for, and the first answer has come from Srinidhi. Well done. Now see, when Srinidhi, Kandim, Gagan, Melisa, Ketan, Sanskar, Mohammad Abu Tala, Achal, Mohammad Taha, Gagan Raj, Jagdeep. Oh, how many names should I take? These are all stars of the channel, stars of the channel. So first, Srinidhi. Second, Kandim. Third, Gagan. Fourth, Melisa D'Souza. Fifth, Ketan Bhardwaj. Sixth, संस्कार गलत हो गया यार, गलत हो गया. Sixth, Mohammad Abu Tala. And seventh, Mohammad Taha. So these were the prominent names who got the answer correct. I think little bit of typing mistakes are also there. The same thing done by Sanskar, same mistake done by Achal Singh there. Lot of people getting that one wrong. Jagdeep, गलत हो गया वहां पर है ना. चलो. Great. सीरियसली अच्छा सर. वो मेरा नाम पूछ रहे हैं उधर यार. सॉरी शिवाज, मेरे चैनल पर आए हो आप तो आप मेरे चैनल में ही मेरा नाम है ना. इतना इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नाम, इतना फेमस नाम भूल गए आप. शौर्य. अच्छा चलो. प्रवीण प्रसाद, व्हाट्स दैट गोइंग ऑन. प्रसाद. अचल आपका आंसर में एक डिजिट गलत है, प्लीज चेक. ओके, लेट्स हैव द नेक्स्ट. Prasad, don't get involved in personal chats, please, and don't use that language. First warning for Prasad. Okay. Okay. The fractions, right? Let's have 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 9, 1 upon 4. Find 5 times the greatest minus 2 times the smallest. आपने मुझे इसकी वैल्यू बतानी है. You have to tell me the value of this. So all those who have joined in today only, I hope you have subscribed the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications on your mobile and joining in this elite class of people who are coming every day and participating in these live streams and developing 10 times faster speed of calculations. You can also speed up your calculations by taking this 24 PDF short trick course. Please go for this. All these courses and other downloads for CBSE classes 6 to 10th can be found on my website www.sureshagarwal.in, or you can WhatsApp 9896369963 for getting the details. Let's see the answers which are coming in for this. I know a lot of copy pasting is going on now. बहुत सारे लोग कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हैं. आदित्य कह रहा है वापस गलत मेरा. अरे कोई बात नहीं, गलत हो गया तो हो गया. Yeah, 75 people watching. Is there any possibility we can take it to 100 so that we can have the prize question? 18 minutes to go for the live stream. Mohammed Abu Tala is saying I am first. Okay, let's see. Mohammed, let's see. No. The written content is not free. I'm sorry for that. I need to run my channel, a lot of expenditure goes in all this. Okay, Jagdeep and Mohammed Tala is saying, Mohammed Taha is also saying, okay. So, Arpita, sir, I won that maths quiz. Arpita Mandal, wow, you told me the other day you are appearing in a quiz, right? So, congratulations. You nailed it. Well done, well done. Okay, 83 by 8 and 31 by 18, 23 by 14, 31 by 18. बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं. Let us see the correct answer now. Now, how to find the greatest and the smallest? The easiest possible method. I am finding the greatest first. 14, 15. So, 15 is greater. 27, 28. So, 28 is greater. 16, 9. So, 4 by 9 is the greatest. So, 5 into 4 by 9 is 20 by 9. Minus. So, this is greatest. Chhod do. 14, 15. 15 is greater. 8, 5. 8 is greater. So, 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Correct? Correct now. हाँ जी, करेक्ट ना. तो 40 minus 9 31 हो जाएगा और 9 2 18 हो जाएगा. 31 by 18 is the answer for this question. There was no devil in the question. It is just that without finding the LCM, you have to find which is the greatest fraction and which is the smallest fraction. Okay. हाँ, चलो देखते हैं किसका करेक्ट आंसर सबसे पहले आया. 31 by 18 is the answer I'm looking for, and the first answer has come from, it's Jagdeep yet again. I think fourth question today in today's live stream, Jagdeep has come on the top. Well done, Jagdeep. और उसके बाद कौन है? 31 by 18 किसका करेक्ट आंसर है? Mohammed Abu Tala. Well done. The second person to give me the correct answer. The third is Nidish. Well done, Nidish. Kriday Sood is the fourth one. And then Srinidhi, fifth one. Sanskar, sixth. Achal Singh, seventh. Srinidhi, Srinidhi, I think I've taken your name. Kirti, sorry, ninth. And Mohammed Taha, 10th. मोहम्मद ताहा आज थोड़ा सा डिप हो गया, नीचे चले गए हैं ना, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा जोश से कर लो यार. 15 minutes to go for the live stream. अभी थोड़ा सा everybody needs to be a little bit more, you know, rejuvenated, and let's have little bit of more seriousness in performing the calculations. Okay. मोहम्मद अबू ताला, हो सकता है आपका नेट स्लो है, बट जगदीप नेट से भी फास्ट लग रहा है मुझे तो. Okay. Yeah, don't blame the net. It's okay. You got the correct answer in one of the questions. That time your net was not slow, Abu Tala, right? You were there on the top in one of the questions. So your net is working all right. Yeah, Praveen, Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. 1 hour live stream of simplification problems. Okay, next question. Yeah. So somebody is commanding there. Okay, sir, next. Okay, who is that? We know, we know. Okay, आपकी आज्ञा सर आंखों पर. ये है आपका next question. One more question of this type, in which you have to find the greatest and the smallest, and then find the value of an expression. So let's have the question. The question goes like this: 11 upon 14, 9 upon 11, 4 upon 7. Find 2 times the greatest minus half of smallest. You have to tell me the answer in a fraction, please, friends. No decimals, no mixed fractions. Get on with this one. Twice the greatest minus half the smallest. The answer for this particular question. I think many of my friends have not clicked the like button till now. Somebody needs to request everybody, you know, to click the like button. YouTube is liking everything. No, they are sending such play buttons, but my audience is not liking. Okay, fine. Let's see the answers. 9 by 7, 38 by 77, 104 by 77. 9 by 6. 9 by 7 is now gaining majority. 104 by 77 also. Many students there. अरे नंदिनी कृष्णा, 18 by 14 क्या होता है, उसका कॉमन फैक्टर काटो. 137 by 77, that is 104 by 77. Okay. Oh no, slide mistake. I hope nobody has copied Mohammed Taha's answer. Okay. He's saying slide mistake. So if you want to delete your answer, if you have copied it, you can go for deletion. 104 by 77 now. Okay. Yeah, Nandini, now you converted that. But I need to see whether that is correct or not. For that, I'll first find the greatest, then find the smallest, and then put the values in the required expression. Let's go for it. 121, right? 14 nines are 126. So 121 and 126, this is greater. 63, obviously 9 by 11 is the greatest. So 18 by 11. If this is the greatest, then I'll have to find a smaller one among these two. 14 times is 56 and this is 77. So 56 is smaller, so 4 by 7 is the smallest. Half of that is 2 by 7. Khatam ho gaya na? 7 8s are 56. So 18 7s are 126. I hope my calculation is correct. 126 and then 11 2s are 22 and then 77. So this is 104 by 77. I could see so many answers. 104 by 77 there. Okay. देखते हैं सबसे पहले किसने करेक्ट आंसर दिया है. ओके, 104 by 77 is the answer I'm expecting. If anybody wants to go for deleting the answers, go for it now. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, done. So let's see the answers now. या प्रसाद वो सब कमेंट्स नहीं जाने वाले यार आगे, तो छोड़ दो उसको. Okay, 104 by 77 is the answer I'm looking for, and the first person to give me the answer is Srinidhi again. ग्रेट ग्रेट. यार ये सब लोग जो है ना स्टार्स हैं, दे आर द स्टार्स ऑफ माय चैनल, यू नो. Srinidhi, very very well done, and you can see so many wrong answers in front of you and in front of you know after you also so many wrong answers, but Srinidhi, that was too good, too good, very very well done. And that was followed by Aditya Sharma, और उसके आसपास बहुत सारे wrong answers हैं. I think lot of copy pasting was going on there. Okay, third person to give me the correct answer is Manit Garg. Very well done Manit. अच्छा यार, आपका नाम तो बहुत अच्छा नाम है Manit, और आपने शायद I think you have won the short trick course also. Okay, great. Sai Dviraj. Wow, Dviraj. Well done, Sai Dviraj. I have not seen you before on the live stream, but all the same, double thumbs up for you for getting that one correct. Fourth person to give me that correct answer, and the fifth person is P Srinivas. Sixth is Jagdeep. Jagdeep, ये सिक्स नंबर पे कहां से पहुंच गए भाई? नीचे ऊपर 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 आना है. Kirti, the seventh person, Sanskar, the eighth person, Shivangi, ninth, and Ketan, 10th. So these are the top 10 names. So friends, final question coming up your way, because I don't think today 100 people are there will be achieved. It's okay. Let's have one more question. प्राइस क्वेश्चन आने के लिए अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. मुझे लगता है कि many people are not like participating because of the exams, upcoming exams in February and March. Most of the schools have exams, so the number of people participating in the live streams are a little bit less. Okay, so never mind. So let's see this. Simplify, and you have to give me the answer in fraction only. Half minus half upon 1 minus half upon 1 minus half plus half. Now see, everything is half here. So get me the correct answer, friends. Let's see who gives the correct answer for this one. The final question for today. So don't get it wrong. Let's end on a high note. Oh, not defined. Everybody is saying not defined. It may be right. It may be right. Not defined. Infinite. Okay. Good. Not defined. Okay. Now 1 by 2 also. 1 also. See, it can be not defined. Correct. It can be. But lot of people saying 1 now. And P. Srinivas, Kirti, Tiffany, Sangeeta, Vinod, Prasad, and Manit. Lot of people saying 1. And 1 by 2 also. That is also the prominent answer. And now Aris and Sanskar and many other people saying not defined. Srinidhi is also saying not defined. Okay, friends. So the thing is, if you have infinite, if suppose this part reduces to infinite, so everything will be infinite only. You add a fraction to infinity, you will get infinity only. Okay, so it is infinity or minus infinity, hardly matters. Okay, so if you say infinity, then I'll give you the correct answer, give you the credit for that, but I need to see whether it is infinite or not. So obviously, see, half and half, this part is gone now. This is 1, right? And 1 minus this part. Now let's see whether you are saying correctly or not. 1 minus half is half. Half goes up and become 2. 2 into half is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And once we have a 0 in the denominator, this is infinity. So all those who answered 1 minus infinity as minus infinity or simply infinity, I will give the credit to that, and the answer came up really quickly, I must say. And all those who said 1, I'm sorry, you are not correct. Okay, so the answer not defined was given very quickly by Aditya Sharma. Well done, Aditya Sharma. अरे कमाल कर दिया यार. This was the last question, और Aditya Sharma sudden से आपने, it was like 3 to 4 seconds only you gave the answer, and that was really quick. Top class work there, Aditya Sharma. Kridhay Sood, second person to give me the correct answer. Uske baad Melissa D'Souza, another prominent name. Melissa, well done. And who is the next one? Aman Kumar came up with the correct answer. The fourth person. अभी 10 नाम लेने वाला हूं मैं. The fifth is बहुत सारे deletion चल रहे हैं वहां तो हाँ कर दो. Fifth is Mohammad Abu Tala, another very good name today. And the sixth person is Suman Singh. Seventh is Shivangi. Eighth is Sanskar. Ninth is Ariz Ahmed. And who is the 10th one? One more name. Aman Kumar. Yes, Srinidhi. So these were the prominent names who came up really quickly for that. Little bit less participation today. Never mind. Friday है ना अभी weekend आ रहा है enjoy करो weekend को. Let me see if I would be able to give you time tomorrow at 8 p.m. I will try my best to come live. I will try. I am not committing. I will try my best to come live because weekends are a little bit difficult, you know. We need to have some time off from the channel. Okay. Thank you all of you for participation in that live stream. I enjoyed it bringing it to you. I hope you have enjoyed it equally well. Thank you. And it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for today. God bless you all. Have a great weekend ahead and carry on participating in all the live streams in future. Thank you.